this episode, I'm going to be getting them panels nice and welded in, so I'm really looking forward to getting some welding done again. Just before I start, I'd like to say that the first video went out just over 24 hours ago, and I was expecting it to get sort of 10, 15 views in the first 24 hours, and no one made it to watch it, and it got over 1,000 views. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot in the grand scheme of things, but that's a lot to me. People subscribed, which I didn't expect, but people did, and I'm really, really happy about that. So to anyone who subscribed, thank you very much. And if anyone would like to subscribe, please do. Moving forward with the channel, I want to improve. So I recently got a new lens, which I'm using now. This one's a bit more wide angle lens. I'm only working in a 5 metre by 3 metre garage. It's not a big garage at all. So I'm really looking forward to using this new lens. And I've also got an external microphone now. So it can be a bit noisy around here, which is a bit of a challenge. The external microphone, I'm hoping, will improve the sound quality. If anyone has any suggestions for me, then please just let me know in the comments. I didn't show you the best thing that I bought though. This is the best thing that I bought. Oh, look at that. Little stool that I can put all my tools in there and maybe some snacks and stuff, which is quite nice. And I can wheel about, I can move around, and I'm not having to weld, on there, hurt me back or anything like that. I can sit nice and comfy. It's got a little cushion, one of the best things I've purchased. I got it from Amazon, I think it was like £25. I'm looking forward to getting this subframe put in because it's taking up quite a lot of space. And like I said, space is not a luxury I have right now. Cue the royalty-free music. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just putting some tack welds around that panel, and what I want to do is I want to get that panel nice and secure. Once I've got a tack weld into it, what I'll do is I'll start stick welding from tack to tack, and every time that I've done a little section, I will then move the opposite corner, and what I'm trying to do is try to dissipate that heat, so that then the panel's not going to warp, and I'm not going to put too much heat into one area. So this is the welder that I got from Amazon. It's just over like £200, and this came with everything to do 0.8 to 0.6 wire. The reason why I chose this one was because of the digital readings, so it's easier to see what's going on. So this just runs off normal plug, and then that's just the regulator that I've got at the minute, that's ratchet. I'll put the link in the description for this welder, so in case you want to have a look at it or anything like that. What I'm doing here is I'm grinding them welds down. I want to check all the welds are good and for any bits that I've missed. I'm not the best welder in the world, I've only been doing it a few months, but I am enjoying the practice and I'm enjoying learning something new. So I'm making progress on this side. I've welded all down here and I've ground it all back just to try and see if there's any sort of small little pinholes like that. Just try and find them. What I'll do is I'll give that a quick zappy zap, and then I'll grind that down and make sure that's all nice and filled. I want to get this really secure and all sealed up to make sure that no moisture can get in there. So I'm at the stage where the panel is all welded in now. What I've done is I've put some filler and stuff just all on where I've welded and things. So there's fill all here, fill all down here. I'll sand all that down so it looks nice, so I can paint it. But that's just to try and keep any moisture out and seal everything up. Also put some filler out the side here as well, just to build up this panel. So I can sand all that down and make sure that's all nice again, ready for painting. So it's going well so far. This panel is in. I've got the other side to do. I've got all this underneath here to do as well. But we're definitely making progress, which I'm happy about. Well, this video came out better late than never, I guess, because I was happy with the progress, but this is actually like 6 months in the future from when I've edited this video and never put it out. What happened was I had a lot of stuff going on, everything from Christmas to getting married and all sorts. So working on the car got delayed. But then when I got a chance to work on the car again, I was so far behind on schedule to get it back on the road for this summer that I just ended up cracking on with it and just getting a lot done. So a lot has changed since I made that video. So I just didn't have time to work on the car, let alone record any sort of footage, which is a shame because I've got them panels done, I've got everything in, I've got it all painted, which I'll show you a picture of because I haven't really got much footage, but I've got a picture of me paint after I painted the inside of that side. I'll be doing an update video of what progress has happened on the car and what needs to be done until it's MOT'd and back on the road. The car is actually quite far along, and I want to do an update video on where I'm at the moment, because I've still got stuff left to do until I do the MOT and everything. So there's still a lot to do, which I want to make videos about, and now that I've got time to do it, I'm really looking forward to getting back into it.